Alrighty, we are on the final part where we get to insert sounds or sound effects in our presentation. We're going to just use the sound effects that are available within the PowerPoint program. There are definitely ways you can add your own personal audio files to the program, but that's not what we're doing today. We're just going to choose from the sounds that PowerPoint provides us. So for me personally, I'm just going to add a sound to every answer page. So you have to be on the page in order to add the sound effect. And normally you would think you're going to use the insert tab for this, but you're not. If you were doing an audio file, you would. But we're going to use a sound effect from PowerPoint. So we're going to go into a tab called the Transitions tab, which is right there. And we'll be using this tab a lot more in, I believe, the next week's lesson. But this is the only thing we're going to use with it right now. And that is not the transitions. We're going to do the sound. And it's over in the timing section group. So it says sound, so it's easy to know. And I'm going to make sure my sound is turned up so we can hear it. So these are your choices. What I liked here, I like the applause. So if I click on applause, I've now attached it. You get to choose how long you want the sound of applause to be. I think I'm only going to do 1.5 minutes. It goes by 0.25 increments. So just arrow up. I'm just going to go for 1.5 minutes. Now you didn't really get to hear it. So how do we know it worked? Well, I'm going to go into the presentation and then we will know. So click on the slideshow presentation down here in the bottom right. So very good. So that is the sound effect. Now that I've heard that, I think I might make it a little shorter. I'm going to go down to 1 second. I'm going to do a quick double check. Yeah, that's a much... I liked it a little bit shorter. There are a lot of other fun sounds you can explore. So instead of applause, you can do... I don't know, let's do explosion. Some of them aren't as loud as others, like, say, camera. So some might not be appropriate for what you want to use for it. I don't know about all of them. But let's see. I haven't done a whoosh before. Let's see. Yeah, see, that's pretty quiet and short. But in any case, I'm going to put applause. So I would do that. I would go to each answer slide and do the same thing. And I'm going to make it 1 second long. So I don't want to click the apply to all button here because I don't want applause on my question slides. That just would be an awful lot of the same sound slide after slide. So I'm only going to do it for my answer slide. So it is a little bit tedious, but you can continue to do that. And there you go. So that is pretty much it. So you'll notice that I changed the background a few videos ago. I just went into design, format background. You get the sidebar, a picture or texture fill. I just used texture down here in this little preset thing, and I just chose the bubbles. You can do that. You can choose a design template from theme from up here if you want to. Kind of highlight, see if this is what you want. So have fun with it. So that is what you're doing. I'm going to check one more thing while I'm here. Over on this. Yeah, they didn't really do much here either. They did put a shadow on their table and created some beveled edges. So you can definitely do that with your table. But I feel like there needs to be the game show name on top of this as well. I didn't do it on mine, but whatever my game show name, I would insert the title, make it really fun right there. So this just isn't kind of a boring slide. And that is pretty much it. Have fun with this. I cannot wait to see what you guys come up with. And please let me know if you have any questions.